Hi guys, welcome to another video of mine. Today we're going to make fidget spinners. So basically the point of them is that they can spin like this, and let's see how it works. So we'll just spin it like this, and it can be a sun or a flower, a sunflower, and just keep spinning it until it creates this shape, and then it will look cool like a hat or something. And yeah, and you can just play it for stress or just to have fun with. So let's go on with the making. So these are the things we need. We need glue for just sticking bits together, a ruler for measuring, a pencil, and scissors. And most of all, we need paper. You can have two, but if you choose two coloured paper, and then if you have paper which has one side one colour and another side another colour, then that's totally fine and you can use that. So let's make our fidget spinner. So first we'll get our paper. Mine is pink and yellow. We put them together. So one bit is like that. And then we'll fold it in half, like portrait and landscape. We'll fold it landscape, and then we'll fold it again. And then we'll open it up. Now with our glue, we'll stick on the lines. So we do it one here, another here, like normal. We'll use our scissors and then just cut the line. Just cut the lines which are on the paper. Put them like this and stick, and with our glue we'll stick over on each line, okay, only on one edge of it, then stick it together like that. with our ruler, we'll measure 2 centimeters and mark it with a pencil. Then on the next line, you can see here, with your ruler, measure 3 centimeters. Then on the next line, we'll measure 4 centimeters. And then on the last line, we'll measure 4.3 centimeters. And the last one is just normal. Now, again with our ruler and pencil, we'll mark the lines together, the little marking points. Okay. And now with our scissors, we'll cut the line out. Now we got our line. And with the other bit, you can make a tiny one if you want. So let's just put that away. And we got our line. So now for the tricky bit, which I find tricky sometimes, is that you have to get this point down here. So we'll do that. Then we turn over and do it from this side, so we have that bit. Then we turn over, turn to this side, and fold a triangle. Now we'll just carry on doing that. Now don't worry if you see a little point sticking out like this, because that's supposed to happen, so it gets smaller, like you can see on this one. It has a little point. And if the paper gets off like mine, I can just stick it back on. be careful it doesn't rip. And if you have a little bit here, then you can just fold it to an end from the line. Fold it, and then with your scissors, just cut it off. Then you can see it doesn't really spin. So what we'll do is open it up again and get the biggest side, not the littlest. And then from here, so we got this bit. To make that go like that. So you got that bit, then you fold it inside like that. Okay? Okay, and then you just, so you got this bit, and then you can see it goes back, but you want to open it here and put it on the back like that. So you got that bit, you put it on like that, and then you keep doing that, putting it on the back, putting it on the back, under, and under that. And now we got it. So now you can play with it like all the other ones. And there. Hope you like my video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And see you next time in my next video. Goodbye.